Hello everyone. First I decided to feed them from my hand to test how close I have gotten to these dogs and how much they trust me. There are a couple of brave dogs that decided to eat this way. At this point, the dog decided to hunt for flies that were annoying him, and it looked cute. And here it looks like she decided to hide from the flies. Next, I poured them a full serving of dry food. The daughter of this family of dogs started eating this food and was soon joined by mother and father. The son stayed behind. He seemed to be interested only in bones. I also poured water into a bowl for them. Here it looks like the father dog didn't like that the mother had one of her paws up on the food napkin, so he growled a little. And of course I gave them their favorite bones. Also a few pieces of meat for the dog's daughter. Dogs really love bones. As you can see, when I started giving it to them, they forgot about dry food and only want bones. Inside the bones contain healthy elements for the dog's body. Also, dogs love to chew on something. At this point, the mother dog was amusingly trying to grab a bone that another dog had already grabbed. Here, the mother dog is enjoying the bone in her usual pose. This dog's daughter was given a few pieces of meat that day because I gave her anti-tick pill that day. Those who watched the video of my previous channel remember this story. And in this moment, the dog on the left gently bit my pinky finger. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and the animals around you.